Hey you guys, it's Chantel here. So I was just coming to show you real quick how to put your custom wigs on. So this is the Gina wig. So I'm just going to be showing you how you can put this on real easily, okay? So I usually take it like this. Put my hand right here, my finger right there, and I find the band underneath. Bring the band down. Underneath your braid, bring the band down, and then you pull the rest down and position it the way you want it to be positioned. And then you pull the other side down. Make sure your part is lined up in the front, wherever you want it to be placed. And there you have it. See, quick and easy. That's how you can put your custom wigs on. Okay? And now I'm going to show you how you can style it. Okay, so I'm back. So I'm gonna just show you real quick how to add some curls. I'm gonna be using my SB Luxe Pro straightener. This is in the 1 inch. Okay, so you're just gonna take small sections and start from the top, and then you're gonna come around, grabbing your hair, and just slide in the iron down. That's one curl. And this is a really good straightener. Gets everything nice and smooth, silky finish. So this is just how you add a few curls. And this unit is 26 inches. You can't see it. I'm short, so but this is how you add some curls to your units. Okay, ladies? Okay, so I'm finished curling. As you can see the curls. And now I'm getting ready to do the comb out. So this is basically how you just take your curls, pick them out. If you want to tease it, you can, you know, scrunch it up. So yeah, this is my tutorial showing you how to style and how to wear your custom wigs. Hope you like it. So yes, this is the Gina lace closure custom wig. It is available now at www.sbluxebeautybar.com. Go and shop her today. Okay.